A chronic illness diagnosis can feel like a life sentence. It can feel like you are defined by your condition. You are not alone. Millions around the world are navigating life with chronic illnesses. Remember, you are not defined by your diagnosis. You are still you. This is a journey of management, not a defeat. Small, consistent changes to your lifestyle can have a significant impact on your well-being. It is about making choices every day that support your body and mind. This is empowerment through action. You are taking control of your health. This is a journey of learning and adapting. It is about finding what works best for you. There will be good days and challenging days. Remember, you are not alone. There is a world of support, information, and resources available to you. Take a deep breath, and let's take this journey together, one step at a time.
Food is medicine. This is especially true when managing chronic illness. What you eat directly impacts inflammation, blood sugar levels, and your overall health. Focus on whole, plant-based foods as the foundation of your diet. Think vibrant fruits and vegetables bursting with antioxidants. Embrace legumes, lentils, and whole grains for sustained energy. Reduce or eliminate processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. These can exacerbate inflammation and worsen symptoms. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, are powerful anti-inflammatory agents. Include them in your diet regularly. Spices like turmeric and ginger also have anti-inflammatory properties. Add them generously to your meals. Remember, hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support your body's natural detoxification processes.
Exercise is often associated with strenuous workouts. However, with chronic illness, it's about finding a sustainable rhythm that respects your body's needs. Even gentle, consistent movement can make a world of difference. Yoga, for example, combines gentle stretches with deep breathing exercises. This can help improve flexibility, reduce pain, and promote relaxation. Walking is another excellent low-impact exercise. Start with short walks and gradually increase your distance and pace as you feel comfortable. Gentle stretching can also work wonders in improving mobility and reducing stiffness. Listen to your body. Start slowly and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your activities. The key is to find activities you enjoy and can incorporate into your routine consistently. Remember, exercise should make you feel better, not worse.
Managing a chronic illness is not just about physical health. It's also about mental and emotional well-being. Stress, anxiety, and depression are common companions to chronic illness. They can exacerbate symptoms and make it harder to cope.
Mindfulness practices such as meditation and deep breathing exercises can help calm your mind, reduce stress, and improve your overall sense of well-being. Consider joining a support group. Connecting with others who understand your challenges can provide invaluable emotional support and practical advice.
Therapy can also be immensely beneficial. A therapist can provide you with coping mechanisms, help you process your emotions, and empower you to navigate the challenges of living with a chronic illness. Remember, taking care of your mental health is not a luxury. It's a necessity.
The journey of managing chronic illness is not linear. There will be good days and challenging days. The key is to focus on progress, not perfection. Don't beat yourself up if you slip up or have a setback. Every small, positive change you make is a step in the right direction. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. Focus on making gradual, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Be patient with yourself. It takes time for your body and mind to adjust and heal. Surround yourself with a supportive network of family, friends, and healthcare professionals. You are not alone on this journey. By embracing a holistic approach to your health, you can live a full and meaningful life, despite the challenges of chronic illness.